Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is related to electron emission. We know in case of metals we are having the free electrons. What are free electrons? If we are having some metal and within that very metal there is free electrons which are very loosely bound towards the nuclei, and that very free electron randomly moves in all the possible directions. At room temperature it moves at within the atom at room temperature. So these electrons which are going to move freely at room temperature within this very metal surface, these are known as what? Free electrons. Now as they are free but they cannot move out of the metal, they cannot move out of the metal by themselves. They require some energy in order to come out of the metal surface. And these free electrons are responsible for the conductivity of. These are responsible for conductivity of a metal. So these free electrons which are present within the metal surface, which move randomly in any possible direction at room temperature, they move freely and they are responsible for the conductivity of metal, but they cannot come out, they cannot leave the metal surface, because once they, if this very metal is going to leave the metal surface, this very metal surface acquires a bit positive charge. If this is an electron and this wants to go out, let this be now electron, and then it gains a small positive charge. Once it gains a positive charge, this negative charge electron, positive charge, they will attract each other. So this metal is not going to leave this very electron by itself. So there is, that is what I mean to say, that what is called as, you have to say, that is called as a surface barrier. There is a surface barrier, surface barrier of electrons. That is, these very electrons cannot move out of the surface. So once they are gonna move, they will move only if we are gonna give them energy. They can leave the metal surface if some external energy is supplied to overcome surface barrier. So if external energy is supplied to overcome surface barrier, then electron will come out of metal surface. And this process of emission, this process is known as electron emission. Electron. So what is electron emission? Let's go understand. We are having this as a metal. Within this very metal, wherever that there are free electrons. What are free electrons? Free electrons are the electrons which are least bound towards the nucleus, and they are responsible for the conductivity of the metal. Once this very electron by itself, if it is going to leave, why an electron can't leave by itself? If it wants to leave the metal surface, so this very metal surface gains a positive charge. So that very positive charge is going to drag back that very electron. So there is a surface barrier, that is known as surface barrier of electrons. That electrons cannot cross the surface by themselves. Now if external energy is supplied to overcome the surface barrier, then electrons will come out of metal surface. This process is known as electron emission. So electron emission is simply the process of emission of electron from metal surface is known as electron emission. Then there is one other term which is known as work function. Work function. What is work function? It is very much important. Work function is the minimum. It is the minimum energy required. Minimum energy required by an electron so that it just leaves the surface. The metal surface without any velocity. Without any velocity. So what is work function? Work function means if this is the electron present inside a metal surface, now we are going to provide by different means of energy. We can have harmonic emission, we can have photoelectric emission, we can have field emission, we can have secondary emission. So if we are going to provide some energy to this very metal surface, and let us suppose this very electron comes out of metal surface on the metal surface from inside to on the surface. It was within the metal and now it comes on the surface. So the how much minimum amount of energy? If 10 joules of energy are required to take an electron from within the surface to on the surface, then that's known as a work function. But if we are going to provide 50 joules, so 10 joules will be supplied to that very electron and those will be utilized to come out on the surface. Then the remaining 40 joules are going to give it velocity, so it's going to move. But what is work function? Work function simply means the minimum amount of energy. How much minimum amount of energy is required to take the electron from within the surface to on the surface? That's called as work function. It is denoted by this very phi. Work function, it is denoted by phi. So now we are having, this is the knowledge regarding the work function. And this very work function of metal depends upon the properties of metal. As we are having different metals are having different properties. So for different metals, the work functions will be, if you are going to take cesium, its work function is, if you are going to take cesium, Cs, it is work function, for it work function phi is 2.14. If you are going to take potassium, for it phi is 2.30. So for different metals, for lead, Pb phi is 4.25. So depending upon their properties, the work functions are different and different. Now there are different types of electron emission. Types of electron emission. Number one is simply thermionic emission. Thermionic emission. What do you mean by it? Simply, if the electrons are emitted with the help of heat, like this is the metal surface, and we are going to provide it current, and we are having a heater here that's going to provide the heat. And what happens because of this very heater, the electrons which were present within it will move out of the heat. they will move out. And these very electrons emitted are called as thermions. So the process in which electrons are emitted with the help of heat is known as what? Thermionic emission. We can have second process, you will say, like the photoelectric emission. What is photoelectric emission? What is photoelectric emission? Simply the emission of electrons with the help of photons. Emission of electrons with the help of light of suitable frequency. And the electrons thus emitted are called as photoelectrons. Like we are having a metal surface here. On this very metal surface we are going to incident light, and there then the electrons are coming out. These very electrons are called as what? Photoelectrons. These are photoelectrons. This is light incident on this very metal surface, and the electrons coming out is called as the photoelectrons. Then we can have another emission that is called as field emission. Field emission simply means once you are going to apply field emission, you are having some this very metal surface and you are going to apply huge potential difference. Huge potential difference along its ends. Then you will get what? You will get emission of electrons, and that is known as that is called as the field emission. Field emission simply means once you are going to apply a field observer of 10⁸ volt per meter. Once you are having a field of this very strength 10⁸ volt per meter, this very huge field, so there will be the emission of electrons. There is once again another you mean to say electron emission, which is called as field emission. What we have second yeah, that is called as you have to say the secondary emission. What do you mean by secondary emission? Secondary emission means we are having once again, this was the field emission, we are having now secondary emission. What is that? You are having this as a metal surface, and on that very metal surface you have incidented highly energetic electrons. These are what? Energetic electrons. And what happens? These electrons do not come, they impart their energy to the inside electrons. The electrons present within the metal surface, they impart their energy to these very electrons, and these very electrons move out of this very surface. Once they move, this is called as what? These are called as secondary electrons. Now this is called as secondary emission. These were some terms related to electron emission and its types. Tomorrow will be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.